Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, people on YouTube. And welcome back to William in Japan. Today you join me on a Monday commute. Actually almost finished. We finally escaped the horrible traffic and now on a bit more open road. Well, without further ado, you already saw it in the thumbnail. You saw it in the title. Yes, I finally got everything installed from Carbon FBR. So let's use a bit of YouTube magic and head back to yesterday. Alright folks, it's finally back from the painter. So remember way back then I was saying that I'm going to do something with the seat panels? Well guys, here it is. Ta-da! Will you look at that, guys? Proper carbon weaving under the OEM decals. Alright, without further ado, let's put it on. Alright, welcome back folks. Why all of a sudden it is so dark? Well, I thought this was going to be a very simple job. Turned out to be quite demanding. So first of all, how do you remove these seat panels? It's very simple. Off with the pillion seat, off with the front seat. You are now in phase of 1, 2, 3 bolts. Very simple. Remove it. Then you're done. However, there's one thing you need to grab from this OEM seat panel to the Carbon FBR seat panel. It's this darn little clip right here. Not sure it's focusing. Anyways, you can see a clip. You see all that white damage shown in the clear coat right there is because I had to file it down a bit. So the original clip is finally on there, but bear with me one moment. Here is the OEM one. So as you can see here, it's not really showing up on the camera right now, but there is a little groove with 2 holes beside the main real hole that the bolts go through there. So the OEM one is kind of rectangular and pretty elongated, but here you go. This is the one from Carbon FBR. It's pretty squared. So on the right side right now, we are seeing, since I have not filed this seat panel yet, I have to elongate that little groove. So that's why it's taking so long. So anyways, done with one. Let's head into the second. Alright folks, this concludes the removal of all gloss black or piano black plastic parts on my bike. Of course, here's the montage of everything I got from Carbon FBR. Alright folks, that concludes, at least for now, all of my carbon parts I plan to put on this Street Triple. Of course, there may be more in the near future, I don't know yet, but at least that's all what we got for now. Also, before I let you go, there's one very, very important update I have for you folks. Me, William, had actually pulled the trigger and got myself one of my dream bikes. Yes, you heard that right. I let the last one slip out of my grips, but this time, when the opportunity came up, hell no, I'm not going to miss it again. So yes, I pulled the trigger, signed a contract with a private seller, and soon, maybe in 2 weeks, 3 weeks, we don't know yet, it will be on this channel. But folks, if you want more updates on that, remember to smash that subscribe button. It's free. It helps me out. And if you have any questions, please definitely head towards my Ask Me Anything video. Put a link on the top right corner right now. and leave it over there. I'll go over it once we hit 500 subscribers. Alrighty folks, this has been William. Very excited right now. Guys, I am very excited. That dream bike is coming to us very soon. Thanks for joining me, and see you next time. Bye bye.